Ready? Listen, do you hear that? So, Jude's in here doing the ever so needed suction of all the sludge and crap out of the intake valves. Just like a dentist would. So what is he using on this? He's using carbon off, brake clean, and suction method, and then he's using a pick to scrape off all the crusties.
Any of the hard ones, and then after that I blow it all out.
This is the maintenance that you can avoid by having a good mechanic advising you that your car requires special maintenance when it's a GDI engine. Special extra maintenance.
Definitely not fun.
That should not be built up behind the intake valves. Special. What was that movie when he goes special? So American Gangster, and he goes, this badge means I'm special.
This is literally from me just scraping the side of this, like the intake on it.
I bet you 3 of those customers today would smoke that.
And that's after cleaning it and spraying it multiple times.
Which one?
I don't know.
Let me know which one you want.
Tell you, Jude, about this customer who owned this car. That they didn't take care of it. They didn't do the maintenance. Now the customer who's buying this car, or actually who purchased this car, can rest assured now that it's maintenance properly, at least on the top end. And then we had to go straight for the rear hub bearing on this 22 Pathfinder. Couldn't get it anywhere. Straight to Nissan. Dealer parts, dealer parts, dealer parts, dealer parts. Mercedes-Benz getting a ridiculous oil change. And then we have a Dodge Ram 1500 coming for fender flares. That'll be our afternoon fun job. Oh no, another oil change.
I didn't even need the hammers.
Is it bad?
Oh yeah.
I mean, we called it.
This is really bad.
Yeah. Hi, Ant. There's Ant with the fender flares.
Is that the bearing?
There's a GMC Canyon up there, Caleb. Got 2 oil changes for you, buddy. Ooh, what happened to your shirt?
I cut it. That's cool.
That's crunchy.
What's in the box?
What's in the bag?
Special services. Simple maintenance could avoid thousands of dollars worth of issues on your dreamy 2017 Honda Odyssey. Goes for those GDI engines. You need the right mechanic advising you how to take care of your car. Every vehicle is a different high-performance vehicle, even though it's quiet. And don't leave papers in the cars. And I feel I have a Mercedes-Benz, but I'll smile when you come in to get it fixed.